Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix WhatsApp unable to connect. Please try again later on iPhone, iPad. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you have to open your settings and check Wi-Fi connection and turn on. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. And after this, go back, scroll it down. Now tap on general, scroll it down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone settings, tap on reset. Now tap on reset network settings, enter your password. After doing reset network setting, you need to go back, scroll it down. Now tap on iPhone storage. Scroll it down and tap on WhatsApp. Tap on offload app. After doing offload, you need to reinstall again from App Store and logging again your account. After this, go back. At last, you need to open App Store and tap on search bar and search WhatsApp app. And tap on open. For update, if not updated your app, you need to update your WhatsApp app. And after go back, and after doing all steps, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.